What if I told you that you could build an entire luxury product campaign without filming a single shot? No cameras, no studio rentals, no production crew, just prompts. And now, with Seedance 2.0 officially inside CapCut PC, AI video creation feels completely different. I started directly inside CapCut PC using GPT-Image 2.0 to explore multiple visual concepts for one single product idea. And honestly, this changes the workflow completely. Because inside CapCut PC, everything stays connected. Image generation, AI video creation, editing, organization, and final production, all inside one workspace. No jumping between apps. No messy asset management. No broken creative flow. I wanted to see how many campaign styles I could create from one concept alone. One thing that immediately stood out: GPT-Image 2.0 doesn't stop at one visual. From a single prompt direction, it can instantly generate multiple premium advertising concepts in completely different styles. That means one product idea can become an entire campaign system within minutes. And for marketing content, that speed is unreal. Let's jump in, download CapCut from here. Now, I started by opening CapCut on my PC and accessing the AI image feature powered by GPT-Image 2.0. Image prompt 1. High-end cosmetic campaign. Next, I entered my prompt for image generation. I selected the GPT-Image 2.0 model, set the output quality to 4K, and chose a 16:9 aspect ratio, and clicked Enter. The AI immediately began processing the request. Instead of generating a single ad creative, I leveraged the tool to produce a full range of marketing assets from one product. This workflow is ideal for brands that need diverse visuals for websites, social media content, seasonal promotions, and paid advertising campaigns, all while maintaining a consistent brand identity. And within a few minutes, as you can see, it has generated 4 images based on your prompt. You can preview each image individually and select the one that best matches your preferences. The output instantly looked like a professional beauty advertisement with rich lighting, sharp reflections, and a polished luxury appearance perfect for premium branding. Image prompt 2. Clean online store creative. Next, I tested another image generation prompt. After entering the prompt and pressing Enter, the AI quickly processed the request and produced a new images. This generated a clean shopping style visual that feels perfect for online stores, sponsored ads, and product promotions. Image prompt 3. Luxury holiday marketing visual. Now, let's generate another image. I simply entered a new prompt and pressed Enter. The AI immediately started processing the request, and within a few minutes, the final images are ready. The AI transformed the same product into a completely different campaign style while maintaining a consistent premium brand identity. The next step takes things to another level. Rather than limiting the project to static images, I imported all the AI-generated assets directly into Seedance 2.0 within CapCut. This enabled me to turn simple visuals into dynamic video content, making the assets more engaging and suitable for advertisements, social media campaigns, and other marketing materials. Video prompt 1. Cinematic product commercial. I selected one of the images I had previously created using GPT-Image 2.0 in CapCut and entered prompt for video creation. I selected the Seedance 2.0 model, set the resolution to 1080p, specified a video duration of 15 seconds, and chose a 16:9 aspect ratio. After clicking Generate, the AI immediately started processing the request and generating the video. Within a short time, the video was ready. Let's play it and take a look at the results to see how effectively the model transformed the static image into a dynamic, high-quality video. The animation feels incredibly natural. The product remains visually consistent, and the final output looks like a professionally produced advertisement. Video Prompt 2, Premium Brand Showcase now. Let's create another video using an image generated with GPT-Image 2.0. I entered my prompt, adjusted the necessary settings, and started the rendering process. The AI immediately began generating the video, and after a few minutes, the final result was ready. The motion adds much more energy and engagement compared to static product images, making the advertisement feel modern and high-end. Video Prompt 3, Dramatic Reveal Effect. To explore another creative variation, I entered my prompt and applied the required settings. I started the generation process. The AI processed the request in just a few minutes and produced a fully rendered video. Here, you can see the final output. This created a powerful visual reveal effect that would normally require advanced editing software and complicated animation workflows. This is where GPT-Image 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 become incredibly powerful together. You're not just generating one ad. You're generating multiple campaign directions, motion concepts, and creative variations from a single idea. And when it all happens inside CapCut PC, the workflow becomes fast enough to scale serious marketing content production. From concept to visuals to cinematic AI video, all inside one system. If you want to create premium product ads, cinematic AI campaigns, and endless marketing visuals without traditional production, this workflow is absolutely worth testing. Check out CapCut PC, explore Seedance 2.0, and start turning ideas into full AI campaigns faster than ever. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.